మెడికల్ ప్రొఫెషన్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్తుందన్నారు గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. రాష్ట్రానికి గవర్నర్ గా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక లేడీ ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తారని అనుమానాలు వ్యక్తం చేశారు. కానీ తాను ఒక డాక్టర్ గా పేషెంట్లను ఎలాగా చూసుకున్నానో అలాగే రాష్ట్రాన్ని మేనేజ్ చేశారన్నారు. హైదరాబాద్ యశోదా హాస్పిటల్లో అత్యాధునిక క్రిటికల్ కేర్ నెఫ్రాలజీపై అంతర్జాతీయ సదస్సును ప్రారంభించారు. ప్రజల్లో కిడ్నీ వ్యాధులపై అవగాహన మరింత పెంచాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు గవర్నర్. 3 రోజుల పాటు జరిగే కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో ప్రజల్లో వ్యాధులపై అవగాహన కార్యక్రమాలపై చర్చించాలన్నారు. కార్యక్రమంలో 30 మందికి పైగా అంతర్జాతీయ నెఫ్రాలజీ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ పాల్గొన్నారు.
So this awareness, whenever it is diagnosed, this awareness should be there. So creating awareness among the public is a great effort. That should be the effort, and not only creating awareness among the public, awareness among the practitioners. It is very important because they have to refer the cases to the nephrologist. So they have to identify it. It should not be, as we know, it should be the earlier diagnosis helps us a lot. And always when it is diagnosed, when I was introduced here, Pavan told it is very rare to see doctors into the politics. So in a lighter sense, I used to say, when I was posted as Governor of Telangana, I am the youngest person, youngest among governors, and I don't have experience as a minister or chief minister. So some of the critics came forward and criticized. So she's the youngest person, this is the newborn state, Telangana is a newborn state, and how she is going to manage. So I told, it's a newborn baby. Telangana is a newborn baby. I am a gynecologist. So I will manage. So a newborn baby I will manage. So immediately, when after 8-9 months, I was given an additional charge as Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. The same critics came forward and told, oh, she managed Telangana and how she is going to manage another state. I told, I am a gynecologist. If singleton is born, I will manage. If twin baby is born also, I will manage. So the confidence, I can say, the medical profession gives us confidence to administer, and my male brothers should not get angry. Females are better administrators. Because you can manage 2 kidneys, okay? But a male cannot manage all females. A female can manage all males. But I have experience because my husband manages 2 kidneys. So because he says about midnight, then when we hear from the patients the fruitfulness of our treatment, the peritoneal dialysis fluid was very costly and it was not produced in our country. So we have to import it. So when I had a discussion with Madam Sushma Sivaraj, she was the health minister, and I told this poor patients also suffer from kidney injury, but it is very difficult to treat them. And she exempted the tax and she motivated the production in our country. So a doctor be an administrator, definitely we can manage the health of the patient as well as the health of the society. That is very important.